Seburburani Andra di Mata Vinaka.
Well, good morning to all the drivers and not forgetting the people who are being a part of the morning shift.
Yeah.
This morning, thank you very much. And also to the people out there who's well supporting the student for their exam. Some of us, and the me to my native Munyambaki, we start raising the children from the beginning of the earth. Hey, how come?
How come?
And also to everybody joining this morning.
Okay, but I'm not going to tell you, the mission like short and sweet.
Okay, this is a true story about a fella. A fella is a man. A man is a tabale. So tabale, when we are together with our tabale, the world stop. The windy is winda. The rain is raining. The waves.
Different story when we are with our tabale.
When with our tabale. Even though we are tambu, for our uncle passed away.
We can Vaktara.
We can postpone. Even though we are tambu from our wife. We can Vaktara. Even though we are tambu from the hospital, from the doctor. We can Vaktara because we don't want to lose. I don't know where does this principle come from. When we meet our tabale, everything gonna change. Some of us, we divorce because of our tabale.
Oi.
Sanda the wimbiu. What can not attend the baliti tabale?
Elikitora isa Ervinaka, Royan Vinaka.
I remember one story like this. Penny Wangamera and Selala, a true friendship. Right. Best friend. Every time Penny, so Selala was in Maniava, Tokai Malora.
Right.
Penny was in the village. So when after a while, like 8 years ago, then these two meet again. They meet again.
After a very, very long time.
Long time. After meet again, Penny already got a small family.
A
wife and a baby.
Right.
Sa Andonalubena. Tamibika.
Right.
Oh, Selala. Selala is a single.
Is it to find a partner?
Whenever Selala come into Penny's house,
every plan
cancel from the family.
Boy,
they go. They out. So whenever Penny is in the house, when heard the voice of Selala on the footpath, he come out.
Penny leave the wife.
So one day, Tinaibika was there in the house. Don't believe in me sawar to baru tu minit to naman bulta to nga be Momo Chobilisi, ke Nebika from Namu Boy, Lekutumbua.
Right.
So this one was there, Penny. Penny had a voice. It's Selala. Selala, when you see Selala like this in the afternoon, 4 p.m. Well oily, lumutu me babinaka, gel, a nice suit. This suit means leave the village early. So he was planning to go to Nakaoka for grogging.
Right.
Selala metelling to Nakaoka. So he was ready to go to Nakaoka for grogging. Penny had the voice. Just look on the window like this. He saw Selala. He's Tabale. His brother, but they are close like Tabale when they planning to hell. He come outside and Tinaibika the wife call. Hey Penny, where you going? Tamaibika.
Where are you going?
Where you going, Tamaibika? No, I just go here. Why did I tell you?
What's our plan tonight?
Tonight is a planner. Come. It's here. We come together. See, if you want to marry, you look after me. This time you come and Selala every time. You want to listen to who? You want to listen to who? So whenever, if you are sickness, who will be saving? Look the children. Who will be lifting? Hey, my back is pain. So this one was there. So Penny leave the wife and the family come and follow Selala. Sangay mo si Betsinaibikan is in na bosa. 7 meters away from him before the corner, Miss Haben. And Tinebika called Penny. Listen. One last Radio. O sambe sinibi Radio. You don't want to listen to me? Sangay baka sa ko Penny ko nang bitu ko. Okay. No, I won't leave you. But if you come back, you want to sleep, you sleep with Selala.
Eran ele sumai. Iya.
Accept the fact of coming back.
Iya.
But when
You
you
and
want,
Selala.
you and Selala.
Iya, you
But
can come back together.
you can come back together.
Iya.
But when you want to sleep,
Iya.
you sleep with Selala. Or you want to take to the car?
Over and out.
Alright. Batu ya oke dah, kita two friend,
Iya.
lemu nangau na nartu nan dindi mabalit kenta.
Kini rongo poso bango risa
Iyo.
kay butsu kanang.
Dapo sota
Iyo.
So, ina non tay bala-bala kan to bisu kenta tu bernawati.
Iya, dinasar.
Dapo sota, da kere mo soti.
Iyo.
Discipline merangone.
Rongo ya bikin na maramati na binasara me baya.
Iyo.
Kaya sa rongo le baka bita buleni. Au tinko mikim raw no mrole sumayo, sino tu mikim raw. Yo sabi mo nga mo de bata kita bolim.
Hindi na sara.
Mo bata kita bolim.
So mesang kay tumango mosto ni wala.
Kiro na bitsinani.
Sa songo-songo tunga o tamay binyan.
Iyo.
Batang ko rinti ko na nambuy.
Iyo.
Niyalinga o na watina. Tasere tu na wani koli. Mada tu na ruwa. Mada na ba. Misang kay tur na tabalin. So na tabale. Santa was pulte kenda din na.
Kaya sa turangan at mail na dali. Talo rin. Batin nandra mga tsiko mo ko rito na italo nongo. Sabi na belum sarap ito kaya belum ay. Harap na ka noci na torongia.
Iya.
O bilay senia. Mail na dali. Harap na ka turangan ita. Etan na tumbuy. Andare. No bali usar. Singa ba rumbu di ko singa lagi ni
Dina.
lagi ni karabi tabi.
Hindi na.
Sa pa ni binaw sira kan ko ni namaru
Iya.
tabi sura tabi di ang karabi. Viti sa biasa berbura. So. Ori bina kan na buni be semati na be ya tu ya nian.
Right.
Kira mo tini buku bikin ka dari sa sema chumai. Ana kira sa pang takiti ko na mo na libu-libu ni bitartar na ngonongo. Bikin ni man dolo ni nonta panua. Na be ya tu ya nian man ya tulau.
Iya.
Na be hotel ni bulang sarbuno. Ronga danom like hat pat ken nom share. Ada video lek. Maru takiti na mo ni madong. Ester na deru. Wano ni bina kan na buni garabi tabi. Ko kurmundu.
Demis.